Some bakes don't just fill the kitchen with warmth, they fill it with color, joy, and excitement. There's something so special about working with natural ingredients, watching simple elements come together and slowly transform into something this vibrant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make beetroot burger buns. These are my homemade beetroot burger buns, soft, fluffy and naturally vibrant pink. With this recipe, I have made 5 large buns, each weighing around 130 grams. Let's start with the ingredients, all kept at room temperature. First, I am taking warm milk and mixing in 1 tablespoon of sugar. To this, I am adding 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Mixing everything well and keep it aside to activate. Now, in a stand mixer bowl or a large mixing bowl, add the bread flour followed by salt and the beautiful beetroot puree. Next goes in the activated yeast mixture along with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Using the dough hook attachment, begin kneading on low speed to bring everything together. Once combined, increase the speed slightly and knead for 6 to 7 minutes until a soft, smooth dough forms and no longer sticks to the bowl. Lightly oil another bowl. Place the dough inside, coat it well with olive oil, cover it with cling film and allow it to proof until doubled in size. This took about 1.5 hours. After the first proofing, I gently punch out the air and transfer the dough onto a wooden board and divide it into 5 equal portions. You can divide it into 6, but I wanted larger burger buns, so I divided it into 5 large buns. Now shape the buns and place them on a parchment-lined baking tray, leaving enough space between each one of them. Once again, cover them with cling film and let them proof for the second time for about 1 hour or until beautifully risen and pink. Once ready, gently brush the buns with milk and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush them generously with butter, cover them with a kitchen towel and let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes. And the final result is 5 generously sized buns, each about 130 grams, pillowy, soft and glowing with that beautiful vibrant pink color. And when you pull them apart, that color continues inside, soft, airy and beautifully even. The beetroot does not overpower, it gently enhances, adding moisture, tenderness and this naturally stunning hue. these buns are perfect for burgers, sliders, breakfast sandwiches, or simply toasted with butter. Simple, comforting, and wholesome. This bake is a proof that natural ingredients can be bold, beautiful, and deeply comforting all at once. If you enjoyed this bake, you will find the full recipe, ingredients, and measurements in the description below. Please consider subscribing my channel for more colorful, nourishing, and thoughtfully made bakes. Thank you so much for spending this moment in my kitchen, and I will see you very soon with another beautiful bake. Until then, keep creating beautiful bakes and happy baking!